now saying it's a 1p coin, and this is in fact a 1p coin. Let's try a 2p coin now. Oh, it's saying it's a 2p. Yep. There we go, it's a 2p coin. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be teaching you some machine learning, or also known as ML, however you like to call it. If you are new to machine learning, or if you're just a beginner, first of all, this is the right video that you clicked on. And second of all, I'll be explaining what machine learning is in a sec. Machine learning is where you feed 100 plus amounts of data to a machine. So it can be in kilobytes, terabytes, gigabytes, and petabytes. And petabyte is basically 1,000 times 1 terabyte, if you didn't know. And the computer is basically tasked to find key patterns in that data. And when you give new data to the machine, it will then be tasked to identify that data using the data that we used previously to train the computer. A great example of ML would be Google Lens. So when you take a picture of, let's say, a pen, the Google has to go through billions of images of a pen and match the ones that are most related to your image. The reason that you need to give this much data to a machine is that so that it can be precise. So the more data that you give to the machine, it can be more precise and accurate about the predictions that it makes. So now we know what ML is and what it does. So now let's get to start teaching an actual machine. So I can't show my face right now, so I need to be using the camera for this project here. So we're going to be trying image project, and basically this the standard one. And now let's see if I can identify all of them, hopefully. Starting from the 1p, let's see if this can identify the 1p here. Yes, and that's yeah, that's 100 by now. Let's try the 2p. I think it's getting confused with the 1p here because of the same color. So let's try a different 2p here. Okay, there we go, that's 100%. Now let's try the 5p. This one might say, oh, there we go. Yeah, now it shows the 5p. 100% if you didn't see it. Now let's try the 10p now. $95. 100, yeah. So this was the 10p and it said 100%. Let's try the 20p. Yeah, there we go, 99%, almost 100. Now let's try the fake coin. You can't really sell this anywhere. This is not a real coin. This has a totally different symbol. This is saying the 5p for some reason, maybe because it's the silver color, same as the 5p. So there's barely any difference here except the size. So I think the machine is getting a little confused with this and the 5p. So that's pretty much it. So we can now export this model here. And we don't need to do anything here. You can just click upload my cloud model. Yeah, it's already uploaded. And now we can copy. Yeah, now it's copied. After copying, we can start with the Pictoblox. Hey guys, so now I have exported all the data that we took from the teachable machines and imported them on Pictoblox. So I just added the teachable machines extensions here on Pictoblox and clicked load model and basically pasted the link. So now let's give it a try. So basically what I've done here is kind of like a small code here. So if it identifies 1p, let's say Toby's gonna say it's a 1p coin. So it's kind of a simple code here. So now let's give that a test. So now let's give this a test now. Okay, now saying it's a 1p coin, and this is in fact a 1p coin. Let's try a 2p coin now. Oh, it's saying it's a 2p. Yep. There we go, it's a 2p coin. So far it's going great. Now let's try the 5p coin. There we go. Now, oh, okay, we're having some variations here. Okay, it's keep alternating from 5p to 1p. I'm not really sure why. Let's try the 10p here. Okay, now it's saying it's a 10p. Let's try the 20p coin now. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go, 99% 20p coin. Lastly, let's try the fake coin now. It's saying it's a 5p, maybe probably because they both are silver. Yeah, most likely probably that, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video.
Basketball.
See? Very American. What about this?
Deadly weapon.